You're looking for the top of the line headphones, the best all-around headphones? These are it. And these are the Sony WH-1000XM3s. I hate the name, but I love these headphones. For starters, you got the standard look for headphones with the 1000XM3s. We got rotating cups that rest on your shoulders, as well as the fold to travel with ease, carry case, touch controls on the right cup. The most divisive feature that I've read about and learned about before I tested was the touch control features. Some may desire actual buttons. If you cover the ear cup, you can hear around you, like a little silence hits, kind of like you muffling your ear. That they're super comfortable, wearing them from 10 to 15 hours a day. Been working a lot of overtime, so really got to test out their comfortability with glasses and everything. So inside, Sony gave these guys 40mm drivers with a built-in amp, as well as their new HD noise canceling QN1 processor. So the combination of these things makes for an amazing overall sound. With Bose, you usually get a balanced output. This offers a bit more punch, but not overdone too much, and then just a fuller sound to go along with it. They have support for LDAC sound profile, which gives you 3 times the data when streaming, and that leads to a higher resolution audio or just overall better sound quality, fuller sound. On the noise canceling side, the QN1 chipset offers abilities that match or even surpass the Bose noise canceling features, which is definitely not something that's easy to do. In regards to battery life, Sony quotes a 30-hour battery life with the noise canceling on, and it definitely lives up to it. So I probably have to charge these like maybe once every 2 days. And it takes about 3 hours to charge, but for a quick charge, you get 5 hours of juice and a 10-minute charge, so that's always good. With the noise canceling off, you can get up to 38 hours on a single charge. Yeah, so with basically all the different features and things that it can do, from touch controls, 30-hour battery life, USB-C, quick charge, and just overall good sound and great noise canceling, it's kind of the best all-around headphones you can probably buy. You're definitely gonna pay for that premium, $350, but again, we're still in February 2019, so there's a lot of time to pass for something else to come and step on its toes or knock it out the box. So if you're spending $350 on a pair of headphones, I would say definitely check these out over Bose. So if you have them, if you check them out, let us know what you think about them. If you're a Bose fan, let us know. We can talk about it. We're not trying to fight, argue. Just we can talk about it, have a healthy conversation about it in the comments. And thank you for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.